Autodesk to lay off 1,350 employees in strategic shift toward AI and cloud. Autodesk Inc., the global leader in design and engineering software, has announced plans to lay off approximately 1,350 employees, representing around 9% of its global workforce. The move is part of a broader restructuring strategy aimed at increasing operational efficiency and accelerating the company's investment in artificial intelligence, AI, and cloud computing technologies. The company said the decision was made to better align its talent and resources with evolving customer needs and long-term growth objectives. Autodesk emphasized that the layoffs are not financially driven, but rather reflect a shift in strategic priorities. The restructuring will allow the company to reallocate capital and talent toward its AI-powered design platforms, cloud-based collaboration tools, and its ongoing transition to a fully digital and subscription-based service model. Industry analysts view the restructuring as a proactive move to stay ahead of technological disruption in sectors such as architecture, engineering, construction, and manufacturing, where Autodesk products like AutoCAD, Revit, and Fusion 360 are widely used. The company has already begun rolling out AI-assisted features across its product line, including Auto Constrain, Activity Insights, and Fusion Assistant, which streamline repetitive design tasks and improve workflow automation. Despite the workforce reduction, Autodesk reaffirmed its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. We are confident these changes will better position us for long-term success while enabling us to deliver even more powerful tools for our users, the company stated. The layoffs are expected to be completed in the coming months. Autodesk will provide severance packages and transition support to affected employees.